by forever software engineer rapper. There are only two hard things in computer science and validation and naming things. Ding. Make illegal states unrepresentable. First, make the change easy. Warning, this might be hard. Then make the easy change rapper arrange. Simple things should be simple, complex things should be possible, probable. Before software can be reusable, it first has to be usable. Rapping, never endical, forever miracle, spiritual. Simplicity is prerequisite for reliability. Smells are certain structures in the code that suggest sometimes they scream for the possibility of refactoring. Rapping, never ending object. Thinking focuses our attention on the problem space rather than the solution space. Rapping away. 80% of my problems are simple logic errors. 80% of the remaining problems are pointer errors. The remaining problems are hard. Dark. A programming language is a system of a notation for describing computations. Computations of useful programming language must therefore be suited for both description, i.e. for human writers and readers and programs, and for computation, i.e. for efficient implementation on computers. But human beings and computers are so different that it is difficult to find notational devices that are well suited to the capabilities of both. Whoa, no. Most software today is very much like an Egyptian pyramid with millions of bricks piled on top of each other with no structural integrity, but just done by brute force and thousands of slaves. If we want users to be like our software, we should design it to behave like a likable person. Rapid hurt and conceptual and integrity is the most important consideration in system design. Rhyme after rhyme. Subclasses shouldn't always share all characteristics of their parent class, but will do so with inheritance. This can make a program's design less flexible. It also introduces the possibility of calling methods on subclasses that don't make sense or that cause errors. Rapper forever because the methods don't apply to the subclass. Rap. We comfort ourselves with the belief that if the customers had just been happy with what they said they needed, rapping indeed the design would have been fine. Rhyme after rhyme all day and all night. Lose it. My mind is the customer's fault for changing the requirements on us. But I am not terribly dogmatical about the go-to statement. I have the uncomfortable feeling that others are making a religion out of it, as if the conceptual problems of programming could be solved by a single trick, by a simple form of code and discipline. If you can get today's work done today, but you do it in such a way that you can't possibly get tomorrow's work done tomorrow, then you lose. You snooze, then you lose. You cannot teach beginners top-down programming because they don't know which end is up. The programming today is a race between software engineers striving to build bigger and better idiot-proof programs, and the universe trying to produce bigger and better idiots. So far, the universe is winning. Rapping never ending. Either way you look at it, dry or laziness, the idea is the same. Make your program flexible when change comes in it. Always does, but you'll have a much easier time changing with it. Spit. Duplication is the primary enemy of a well-designed system. Rapping and anti-establishmentarianism, optimism is an occupational hazard. A program and feedback is the treatment sentiment. The trick is to fix the problem you have rather than the problem you want. Object-oriented programming languages support encapsulation, thereby improving the ability of the software to be reused, refined, tested, maintained, and extended. The full benefit of this support can only be realized if encapsulation is maximized during the design process. Wraps in a mess. Pops my head ahead. The biggest issue on software teams is making sure everyone understands what everyone else is doing. Rapping never ending till off pops my head and an error arises from testing object variables, instance variables, as if they were data attributes, and then creating your hierarchy based on shared attributes. Always create hierarchies based on shared behavior. Side rhyme after rhyme after rhyme. My forever software engineer, rapper.